Welcome back to my channel. Imagine a world where luxury meets innovation at an entirely new level, and every drive feels like stepping into the future. That's exactly what the top 10 future luxury SUVs of 2027 promise to deliver. These vehicles are not just about getting from point A to point B. They are rolling statements of technology, comfort, performance, and design evolution. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes these SUVs truly mind-blowing, exploring everything from their futuristic exteriors to their next-level interiors, and the powerful performance that lies beneath the surface. Starting with design, one of the first things you'll notice about these future luxury SUVs is how bold and visionary they look. Car manufacturers are moving away from traditional shapes and embracing sleek, aerodynamic lines that not only enhance visual appeal but also improve efficiency. Expect sharp LED light signatures, illuminated logos, and dynamic grille designs that change based on driving modes or environmental conditions. Some models even feature adaptive body panels that subtly shift to optimize airflow at higher speeds. It's like each SUV has a personality of its own, evolving as you drive. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more impressive. Interiors in these 2027 luxury SUVs are crafted to feel more like a high-end lounge than a traditional cabin. Premium materials such as sustainable leather alternatives, real wood trims, brushed aluminum, and even recycled composites are used throughout. Ambient lighting systems are fully customizable, allowing drivers to set the mood depending on the time of day or personal preference. Massive curved displays dominate the dashboard, seamlessly integrating infotainment, navigation, and vehicle controls into one unified interface. Voice assistants powered by advanced AI can understand natural language, making it easier than ever to control everything from climate settings to music playback without taking your hands off the wheel. Technology is where these SUVs truly shine. Most of the top models in 2027 are expected to feature advanced semi-autonomous or fully autonomous driving capabilities. This means the vehicle can handle complex driving situations like highway cruising, traffic jams, and even parking with minimal input from the driver. Safety systems are more intelligent than ever, using a combination of cameras, radar, and LiDAR sensors to create a 360-degree view of the surroundings. These systems can predict potential hazards and react faster than a human driver, significantly reducing the risk of accidents. Performance is another area where these luxury SUVs excel. Many of them are transitioning to fully electric or hybrid powertrains, delivering instant torque and smooth acceleration. Electric motors provide a quiet and refined driving experience, while still offering impressive speed and power. Some high-performance variants can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just a few seconds, rivaling sports cars. Battery technology has also improved dramatically, offering longer ranges and faster charging times. This means you can enjoy long road trips without constantly worrying about finding a charging station. Handling and ride comfort have also reached new heights. Adaptive suspension systems can automatically adjust based on road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough surfaces. Some SUVs even feature predictive suspension technology that reads the road ahead and prepares the vehicle in advance for bumps or potholes. Combined with advanced all-wheel drive systems, these vehicles offer excellent stability and control in all weather conditions. Another standout feature of these future SUVs is their focus on sustainability. Automakers are increasingly prioritizing eco-friendly materials and production methods. From recycled plastics to plant-based fabrics, every detail is carefully considered to reduce environmental impact. Even the manufacturing processes are becoming greener, with factories powered by renewable energy sources and efforts to minimize waste. Connectivity is also a major highlight. These SUVs are essentially smart devices on wheels, offering seamless integration with your smartphone, smart home, and even other vehicles. Over-the-air updates ensure that your car stays up to date with the latest features and improvements without needing a visit to the dealership. Some models even allow you to control certain functions remotely, such as preconditioning the cabin temperature or checking battery status through a mobile app. As we explore these top 10 future luxury SUVs of 2027, it becomes clear that the automotive industry is undergoing a major transformation. These vehicles are not just about luxury anymore. They represent a perfect blend of technology, performance, and sustainability. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone who simply appreciates innovation, there's no denying the excitement surrounding these next-generation SUVs. Continuing our journey into the world of 2027 luxury SUVs, let's take a closer look at what truly sets these vehicles apart when it comes to everyday usability and long-term ownership experience. While futuristic designs and cutting-edge technology grab attention, it's the real-world practicality and comfort that make these SUVs stand out in daily life. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.